Satisha. Hope you all are doing very good in this pandemic. So let's go and start it for today's recipe. And today's special recipe is Indian egg curry. Let's go and see how I make an egg curry quicker and faster. Let's get started. Do like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you. I try to post regular updates on my channel. So please guys do hit the bell icon to get my regular posts and updates. Thank you.
Here I have just taken a pot and boiled 4 eggs into it with a pinch of salt. Now we have just taken out the eggs and peeled them off and kept it in a plate. Then after just used a frying pan where I have taken around 50 to 100 ml of oil and just chipped on the eggs into it. And see, we just stir fry the eggs, they are just golden brown and yummier. Now for the masala preparation we have taken 1 big medium sized onion which I have pureed up with the help of the mixie. Then after in the oil that I have already fried the eggs, in the remaining oil I have just added the puree and stir fried the onion into it with 2 pinches of salt. You can see it, I have just added them. Again I have stir fried the onions until and unless they become totally golden brown. After the onion are golden brown, we are just adding a paste of ginger, garlic and cumin seeds. In the description box you can get how much I have taken ginger, garlic and cumin. With the help of little water in the mixie I have just pureed it. Now I am just mixing up everything, brown onion paste along with ginger garlic paste, trying to give a golden brown color to it so that the puree becomes yummier and tastier and creamier also. I am just blending up perfect. You can see the puree is just blending up perfect. Once the puree is done, check it out, check the consistency. And then after add the dry masala, that's the turmeric powder and the chili powder. The quantity would be given in the description box, that's just given in the playlist below. Mix all the dry masala along with the ginger garlic paste until and unless the water just dries up from the masala. Once the water gets dried up, check it, it should not burn up. We are then adding the tomato, that is I have taken here half tomato because we don't like so much of sourness in our curry. That's why I have just taken half of the tomato. And then when the masala is totally dried up, I am just adding a half cup of water to it so that the tomato all along the masala gets up blended properly. It's just giving a good color, you can see it. The masala is just becoming more finer and smoother. Once the masala is done and tomato is blended, we add 2 chopped potatoes, boiled potatoes to the curry, and here we are frying it up all along the masala. The oil is just coming up. That means the tomato and the potatoes, everything is just cooked up. With the help of 1 glass of water added to it at last, we add on all the 4 eggs to it. And then once the curry is just boiled up for another 5 minutes in a slow heat, we get the end results. The egg curry is just done. Here we have to remember just only one thing during all the cooking process, that the gas is simmed up. We are cooking on a slow medium heat so that our curry and masala is blended properly and it's just done cooked properly, and the curry becomes smoother, creamier and tastier. So finally we get a good egg curry, good to go. Taste it, give me the reviews in the comment box. Do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.